Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a first impression on the new Beis limited edition mesh tote that I received in the mail literally just today. So just to be clear, I did not make this video to rub it in people's faces who unfortunately did not get their hands on this bag. I simply love fashion, especially when it comes to accessories, and for you fashion lovers out there, I figured you guys would appreciate a video like this to see the overall bag. And you never know, maybe in the future they decide to remake this mesh tote, so at least you have some kind of reference and idea of how the bag looks overall if you guys decide to get it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started to the video. So here is my Beis package. I received it today earlier in the morning. I did purchase this when it launched on the 13th of August, and today is the 19th, so roughly took about 5 to 6 days for me to get this. So let's go ahead and open this box. Look how beautiful this box is. It did say that every unlimited tote would have its own individual number, and mine is 216. The box is simple with the Beis logo. Right, here we go. Look at this. It's black. It says Beis. And I'm going to go ahead and open it. And here we go. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you can see this. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I'm so excited. So here's a limited mesh tote. I think in Shay Mitchell's Instagram story, she also said if you were to open this and say you wanted to put it over your actual luggage handle, you're able to do so, which is pretty neat. But if not, you could just close the zipper and then just have the pocket right here. And then on the side, you have another pocket. Put my phone here. So it's a little bit bigger than iPhone X Max, but it fits perfectly in there. This view, you have Beis label, the handles are individually wrapped. On this side, you're able to put a water bottle, cup, or whatever other things you want to add on here. And then the bottom, you have the little legs. On the inside, you have the Beis tag, limited edition, handmade in Los Angeles. So I went ahead and took the wrap out of the handles. And if you look in here, you also have this where you're able to connect your keys or like a wallet. You're able to also take this off if you want to. And then I just wanted to show you the inside of the bag. You see my number, it's 216. Now the only thing I do want to add is, I know it's a mesh tote, but I could see some little strips line. I don't know if you can see it right there. If you see those little lines, not too extreme. And please don't mind the mess in my sweatpants, because of course I want it to be comfy, but just so you guys can see the size of the bag in comparison to me. I am obsessed with this bag. Love, love, love. So there you guys have it, the unlimited edition mesh tote from Beis. I'm so happy with my purchase and I can't wait to use it on an upcoming trip that I have, which is next week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please don't forget to hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe so you guys don't miss out on any of my other videos. Thank you so much for watching and until next time, bye.